Breaking legal and political news, advocates and lawmakers are suing the U.S. government, including the Bureau of Prisons, accusing the Trump administration of withholding and delaying release of Ghislaine Maxwell and Jeffrey Epstein files that were ordered to be made public under new transparency law. Last year, Congress unanimously passed the Epstein Files Transparency Act, and President Donald Trump signed it, requiring the Department of Justice, DOJ, to release all unclassified records relating to Epstein and Maxwell by December 19, 2025. The DOJ has complied only in part, releasing a tiny fraction of millions of pages of material on its Epstein library site, and critics say most of the files remain effectively blocked. One lawsuit, expanded recently by the Democracy Defenders Fund, argues the DOJ and Trump's Bureau of Prisons have failed to meet the law's mandate, disclosing less than 1% of the records, including notes, financial docs, and interviews, while withholding the rest. They want the courts to compel full compliance and ensure proper, searchable public access. Federal judges have begun approving release of some materials, including grand jury documents in Maxwell's sex trafficking case, but most of the extensive investigative files and related evidence remain sealed or redacted, drawing criticism from lawmakers on both sides of the aisle. Supporters of full disclosure say these records could shed light on Epstein's operation, Maxwell's role, and whether powerful figures were connected to the abuse network, and might show why the release has been so slow. The legal battle continues, with courts expected to decide how and when the remaining files must be disclosed.